Aloha, it's Tutu. Sitting in front of this beautiful warming fire. See all the sunlight energy that's coming out of the trees? Look at that, it's sunlight energy emanating out of the wood because the wood has held that sunlight energy inside of it. And so many of the pieces on the bottom here, where you can see like little bits are burning, and those little bits contribute to the burning of the bigger piece. Those were what I gathered from the food forest floor, just little small pieces that I put in the basket. So this fire won't last very long, but it's warming up the house right now. And it's fun to watch, and it's fun to remember that sunlight energy is stored within trees and bushes and us. And then when this fire is over, there will be ashes in the fireplace. And with those ashes, once they're cool, I'll put them in a metal bin and take them out and sprinkle them all around the food forest. And then the next time, all on the ground. In other words, sprinkle them on the ground where the plants can use them. Okay, yes, that's a better way to say it. I'll put them back onto the ground, and they will eventually, through rain, they will eventually become part of the soil again, those nutrients. So see how we are like a cyclical part of nature? We belong here. We're cutting down dead limbs. We're burning them in the winter time when it's raining. We're putting the ashes back. We're enjoying the fruits of our labor. We're nurturing the animals that live around us. And by animals, I mean the word fauna, which is, I guess, living beings that move around. And then flora would be all the living beings that stay planted. And fungi are the ones that live underground. And then there's us, folks. We're folks. And we are kind of like the giants of the garden. We have to be responsible and respectable and do good and take care of the garden. So